ngayon, kaya mo bang mabuhay ng walang technology? Ikaw, ako, sila, kayo, tayo. Kaya ba nating mabuhay ng walang technology?
Watching me from across the room, it's so obvious I got you.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. It's us again, Marie, Risana,
Okay.
Hi, it's Mara.
We're super excited today because we'll be talking about something we'll definitely use, which is technology.
Yep, it makes our life easier, but sometimes have you ever wondered that we rely on it too much?
And that's exactly what we'll find out more today as we explore overdependence on technology at 21st century issues.
So stay tuned. We will be asking random people what they think about this. And trust me, some of their answers might surprise you.
Hi viewers, hi subscribers, especially to our loyal viewers. To start this vlog, we would like to say that you need to finish this vlog because we have a challenge.
We have a prizes
Like
Gcash.
Gcash. Wow, stay tuned for the mechanic of this challenge. Before we hit the streets, let's talk about what overdependence on technology really means.
And basically, when we rely too much on our devices, phones, computers, or even an AI, and that starts affecting our real life skills and relationships.
Right, like we can't go a day without checking our social media or using Google Maps, instead of trying to remember the directions ourselves. So that's why we are curious. How do other people see it? Do they think technology is helping us or making us too dependent?
Hi guys, we're here at Antonio's Gown and Barong, located in Pandi, Bulacan, wherein they sell gown and barong. And we're here to interview one person regarding technology in their workplace. Let's go! Hi ma'am! We're asking one question po regarding our blog po. Can I have what's your name po muna ma'am?
My name is President A. Guevara.
Okay, we're here with Ma'am Trisha po. I have one question lang po, if it's okay po. Hindi po ba nakakaabala po?
Ay, hindi naman.
Okay po. One question ko po is, what's the one thing you can do without technology po? Like gadgets, laptop, or anything po?
Well, since technology is a very important thing in the world right now, be it for communication, entertainment, especially work. So, if I don't have any technology, then I won't be able to do my work properly. Since most of my work is about encoding, tracking orders, and analyzing data encoded.
Oh, that's so relatable, ma'am. A lot of adults feels that. Technology is all about... That 1, 2, 3, go. That's so relatable, ma'am. A lot of adults feels that. Your job is revolve around technology, but I guess it's about finding the balance, right, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Again, what's your name?
Trisha.
Okay, now, okay na, ito pa, di ko alam. Okay, lesson here is technology help us achieve more, but we need to make sure we control technology and not the way around us.
So hello everyone, we're here at Magulang Lupa, Pandi, Bulacan, and we were going to ask one student to answer our question. So I saw someone here, so let's ask him. So we're doing a quick vlog po, and we asked a question po. Okay. So before that po, pwede ko ba natin may latest So thank you po, Ma'am Jennifer. So my question is, do you think people today are becoming so dependent on technology? Why?
nakukuha ng information. And ginagamit pala yung communication. Thank you so much po. So that's true. So, okay na yan. That's true. It really shows how technology helps us. But at the same time, it is very hard to work without it now. So the first insight with this is yes, technology boosts productivity, but maybe we slowly forgetting how to function without it. Interesting start, right? Hi guys, now we're here at Coffee Garden located at Bagong Barrio, Bulacan. And here we will ask someone to answer my question. Let's go! Hello po ma'am, we're doing a vlog and we were asked one question, but before that, can we know your name po? And please. Okay, the question, our question po is technology making people lazy? Yes, I do believe that technology makes people lazy because people not used to yung mga tao, hindi na sila nagpapakahirap sa mga bagay. Pero may advantage and disadvantage kasi. Yung technology ngayon, pinapadali na lahat ng bagay. Pero kung sa pag-aaral, sa sobrang pinapadali na yung mga bagay, yung mga tao, yung mga kabataan, ginagawa ng tamad. Like, mag-open na lang sila ng phone, ng computer, para lang mahanap yung mga kailangan ng mga point before, pumunta pa tayo sa library, gumagamit pa tayo ng books, para lang mahanap natin yung mga bagay na gusto natin malaman. Alright ma'am, thank you po. That's a good point. Convenience can make us sometimes forget the real effort, but that's not bad as long as we still not forget how to do things the real way.
Today we're here at Mapulang Lupa Resident Street and we're going to ask one question about what do you think would happen if technology disappeared for a day. Let's go! Yan po, ako muna kasi nagre-ready. Hi ate, we're going to vlog po, but what's your name? So my question is, what do you think would happen if technology disappeared for a day?
Siyempre, kasi ngayon, di ba, napakalaking bagay na ng technology sa buhay natin. So, pag nawala yan, maraming mahihirapan, lalo siya kung work from home. Tapos yung mga student, nag-i-interact na lang ngayon sa social media.
I agree with you, ate, but imagine that one day could teach us that how to connect again without technology. Thank you po.
Those were such interesting answers. I didn't expect people have such different opinions.
Same. Other people think it's helpful, and other things a little bit scary on how we depend on it.
For me, technology is not the problem. It's how we use it. Exactly. It's about balance. Use it smart, not excessively. Lesson learned. Technology should make us a better human, not make us forget how to be one. Alright guys, it's time for technology. Alright guys, it's time for Alright guys, it's time for a twist technology challenge. If you reach this part of the vlog, I have a question for you.
Can you go for a day without using your phone or social media? Try it and tell us what happened in the comment below.
Okay, we will pick 5 winners of GCash. 50 pesos GCash for 4 winners and 100 pesos for the best comments. So let's see who can survive the Note Tech Challenge for a day. You in? You in! Finally, after all those interviews, I'm so hungry. My brain worked overtime. Overtime asking people about technology. Hey! Wait lang kasi
over time asking people about technology.
Same here. I didn't realize that talking to strangers burn calories. Let's eat first before our energy run out.
Okay guys, so while we eat, let's talk about what we learned from the interviews earlier. What struck you the most from the answers?
For me, it's when someone said technology makes people lazy. It hit me because sometimes I use my phone for everything, even for the things I could do in my house.
Haha, true, but I also like the one student who answers that she cannot live without internet. Very relate, huh? I get that technology help us so much. But we should not really depend on it.
Yeah. And remember that one person who said that if technology disappear for once a day or in a day, it will be really chaos. What do you think? That makes me think we've really built things around like it, you know. Imagine no Wi-Fi. Can you imagine that? No Wi-Fi for a day. The panic is real, right, guys?
But honestly guys, it's not all bad, right? I think technology is part of our generations already. We just have to use it wisely, you know.
Exactly. It's not about avoiding technology. It's controlling about how we much depend on it.
Right. We can enjoy it, but still remember to still live in the real world.
By the way, guys, remember I challenged earlier? No tech for a day. If you're watching this, if you're watching this while eating, you should join the challenge. Okay, you are watching, you should join the challenge. And comment your experience below. Below here.
And maybe next time we'll do no phones while eating challenge, no? Well, another mukbang. What do you think guys?
Wow, yes, that's a good one. Let's see who among us breaks the rule first.
Alright, before we end, one final takeaway. So, technology is meant to make our life easier, not to make or take out our lives.
Yes. So let's keep that balance, you know. Use technology smartly, okay? Okay? And still enjoy moments like this.
Yeah.
Now let us eating without technology. This with real people and real food. Just like what we're doing, you know?
Well said. So while we finish our food, don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment below.
Don't forget, guys.
See you in our next vlog, hopefully, with the less screen time and more real talk. Bye!
That's it, guys. You know? Nanlalalaki po kayo?
Oo. Kaya mo ba maligo ng isang araw yan?
Kasi mo natin, ang lalag kasi yun, nakakaya.